No sugar needed, I promise. It tastes so good. Really good. Hello friends, welcome back to ITL Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining our channel once again. Blessed love to you. I hope you are doing well in this time. For today's video, I'm going to be making a simple juice with some mangoes, some pineapple, adding some greens, spinach here, and some ginger that has already been sliced up. So simple. We're just gonna add all of this into our blender. We're just gonna add everything into the blender. So adding mangoes, adding our pineapple. So this pineapple, I stored it in the freezer, so they're frozen pineapple slices. We're adding in our spinach, beautiful greens, ginger for inflammation and for building our immune system in this time. So add everything in here, adding some water. So we might blend this twice, so we might blend it a little and then that is blended. We're gonna strain this out. Gonna need a spoon to really work it through the strainer. And that is basically it. We don't need to add any sugar to this. Pineapple is sweet, the mango is sweet, the ginger gives it a nice kick through. We're adding our spinach for that beautiful creaminess and for all the nutrients, all the iron that spinach has. Look at that. It's a beautiful color as well. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this one with your family. Thank you so much for all the love. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more recipe ideas. Thank you so much to all our new subscribers. Respect, one love, blessed love to you. Until next time, this is ITL Kitchen. Peace.